Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yela Michelle, and in today's video I am back with another headband wig tutorial, and this is in collaboration with Petalwigs. So as you guys can see, it is like a plain box. It's kind of like more mysterious looking, but you guys, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. So my box tore a little bit, but that's okay because what's on the inside is what really matters. And when I saw this little bonnet case, like this drawstring case, I was like, this is so cute. I love like blush pink. I think it's so adorable. So it just says Petalwigs on it, and that's where the hair is stored. And I always like when they include these little drawstring satin bags because I like something to store my hair in, because once you start getting a wig collection, you're going to want to keep it organized, and I like when they have their actual name on it. So it does include a little weaving cap, or you can use it as like a cap to protect your actual hair. And it includes a bunch of headbands. So if you guys didn't know, with the headband wigs, you can always put on any headband that you want over the actual wig. So it has a bunch of headbands, and then also this really cute rhinestone one. You guys know I love rhinestone headbands. And then also they did include a pair of lashes. This looks like a pair I would really like to wear, like on the more natural side, so I like these. And then this is different. They included a paddle brush. Usually there's never a paddle brush, but they included a paddle brush, so I like that. Let's get straight into the hair. Okay, so this is the hair fresh out the package. I'm going to put the exact hair details on the screen, but it just looks like this really pretty curly texture. And of course the headband is attached onto it. Okay, and then this one has the type of attachments in it, which are the combs, which are personally my favorite. And I like that it doesn't have a comb in the very front. I have found with the comb being in the very front, sometimes it feels like it's pulling on the front of my hair and it's become a little sensitive. So I like when the combs are on the sides instead of on the very front. So I'm really happy about that. The band on it looks good. We have Velcro, and it actually comes across like thick. It's not one side longer than the other. So let's just go ahead and put this wig on. My hair is already prepped. I'm not really leaving out any hair. Okay, so my hair is just in these two braids, and then I crisscrossed them in the back. And then I just already have my wig cap on. I'm starting to crisscross in the back now because it lays flatter. When I would just put it like in that low bun with the braids, I didn't realize like it's kind of making it bulky in the back, so you want to crisscross it first. But yeah, and then I already have my baby hairs laid, and we're just gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Okay, so right away, I like the way the headband on this one feels. I've experienced some headband wigs where the headband on it feels kind of like cheap quality, and this one is actually really nice. So as you guys can see, when I do the two braids, it makes it look like there's kind of hair being left out because I don't braid it all the way to the root, but it kind of gives that illusion that hair is out. And then plus I do that middle part, and then my baby hair is so perfect. As you guys can see, straight out the box, this hair is flat. And if you like that big defined look, you're gonna have to of course go in and just start moving your fingers and raking it through. That's what I always do. I just do a little raking motion. So this hair is more on like a loose curlier side, and the hair isn't as thick, but that's perfect for people who don't like for their headband wigs to feel heavy. They want like a light airy feeling, like they just want some hair on their head without feeling like it's like weighing them down. So this is perfect for that. Just a really soft hair texture, and just from running my fingers through it, I didn't get any shedding, so that's nice as well. I think the curl texture on this is gorgeous, and especially once I wet it, it's just gonna make it look even better. But as you guys can see, like super easy application. Like I was able to just put it right on, easy to put on. The cap feels good on my head. The combs aren't digging into my scalp. Sometimes I experience the combs digging in, but it's not doing that. It's just fitting really good on my head. So I really like the construction of the cap and how they made it. and the hair feels really soft. There's no weird smell. Sometimes there can be smells. There's no weird smell, so I like that. So let's go ahead and just define this hair and make it look even more pop. Okay, so I'm actually going to show you guys what these headbands look like on first before I wet the hair, because when I wet it, it's just kind of annoying to keep sliding headbands through. And yeah, so I'm just going to quickly show you guys what these look like. So there is a mustard one, really cute for the fall time, like just perfect. You guys know you can wear headband wigs different ways, so you could always do like this kind of look. I know people like that, and what you're doing is basically just covering the headband. I like this one. I think it's perfect for like Hawaii tropical vacation type of thing, you know, just because of the colors and the floral. And then they always have like this cheetah print one. I think this is like just classic at this point. So there's a cheetah one, and of course you can loop the headband completely through, but you know, it takes a lot of work sometimes. The sweater one, this is like one of my favorite ones. I like the sweater ones, they're super cute. And if you guys didn't know, with headband wigs you can always do different looks. You can put this hair in a ponytail, you can put it in a bun, half up, half down. So headband wigs are very versatile, and I like that about them. So this is a really cute one, like this dark charcoal gray. I think that's really dope, especially for the winter time. I like that kind of colors. Gray and black are my colors, so of course here's the black. Yeah, and these are just like some of my favorite colors to wear, because they just go with everything in my opinion. They're really neutral. So here's the black one, and you can always put on whatever headband you want over it, because I own like a little knockoff Louis Vuitton scarf, and I put it on over my headband wigs, and it just looks so cute. So this is like a nice floral. You can do that kind of look. This kind of gives me like spring vibes. And then this cute adorable baby pink. Oh, the pink is so cute. Okay, and then we gotta show you guys the rhinestone, because you guys know I love a good rhinestone headband. So cute. It's the rhinestone for me. Just like gives you that whole queen vibe. So I'm gonna pull this bit forward again. Put on the rhinestone. And we're actually going to leave this on the rest of the video just because it's so cute. Now let's define these curls. So I'm going to be using Rizzo's Curls Refresh and Detangle Spray. One of my favorites. I like this if I'm wearing more loose curly wigs. Like if it's this kind of texture, I use a lighter product. I'm not going to use like a heavy curl defining product. So for people that want to know like how do you take care of your wigs, what products do you use for them, I always use like some type of refresher spray if it's like a loose curl like this. So I'm going to go ahead and just wet it some. And you guys, I always love the curls like when they come fresh off the box. That's just my favorite. But I do notice when you wet it and kind of give it like that wet look, the curls just pop 10 times more. They look so gorgeous, because of course you gotta get like these ends that can look poofy and frizzy. You gotta get those nice and defined. So when you really just wet it and then rake in some product, yeah, the curls get really popping on these units. So I really like that. And I like that it's kind of flat at the top, so you don't have to worry about any bulkiness with this wig. Like it's the perfect density, so it looks really natural, especially for the texture that it is. It looks super natural. And if you like other textures or other styles of headband wigs, Petalwigs does have different wigs on their website, so they have a different variety of stuff, so you're sure to find something that you like. And I will have all their information linked in the description box. Okay, now I'm going to spray the Rizzo's Curls in. And as you guys can see, it's just a light mist, not too heavy. And then I just rake it through. Okay, as y'all can see right away, like the curls just get really defined. They look gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. And I kind of avoid the top because I don't want to weigh it down because it's already so flat that I just don't want a super weighed down look. My main focus is just getting the ends of this hair defined. And as y'all can see, it's really easy to manage. Like all I'm doing is raking the product through and it's getting defined. Alright, this is the final look with this hair. So cute. I love the hair. It just looks really gorgeous, really natural. Make sure you guys check out Petalwigs. I will have all their information linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.